have that one back curves as that puck was rolling a little bit. He thought it was going upstairs on him. It went down. He 5-hole on him, and Kevin Shattenkirk stepping up in the neutral zone couldn't hold off the defender. Ended up a scoring chance, and Laine makes a heck of a play, not just on the goal, but knocking the puck down on the move.
So 3. Things are a little jumbled at the moment. The puck down into the Blues end, and going to get it is going to be Parayko. He's on the ice this time with Jay Bullmeister. Here's Parayko in behind the goal. It rolls too far on him. Steen gonna get hit. He does. The Blues have it. Bullmeister to center. Off Steen. Deflected.
Careful out there after.
Line A the other way. Met at the line by Pietrangelo. Or rather, Parayko. Cleared ahead. Upshaw's going to shoot it down into the corner. Blues finish the line change. 5:04 to go. We're in the second period on a Saturday night. A packed house is Enterprise. Part of the Blues hoodie giveaway. 10,000 hoodies going out to fans here tonight. There's 19,000 in the building. Over the line. Healers lost the handle.
Coin.
Who's in transition? Can they go? 4 on 4 on.
Gadget Sand, the city of opportunity. Welcome to the big time, pal.
Inside is Schwartz. Took the direction.
And
the puck grab
this guy needs to heal.
lifted out to the neutral zone. Off Stastny
Hello.
to the jet zone and Winnipeg
Goodbye,
right
goodbye,
back
goodbye,
out to
hello.
center.
I don't know
Just
why
off
you
the
say
line.
goodbye. I
Middle of
say
the ice. Shattenkirk.
coin. This will come in handy with these and the heels, guys. This is what I'm saving it for. Wow, he hated that one. Lovely. Well, let's just put out this and heal. Actually, I can do both. Quality, eh? Quality would suck if I did that. I just want to protect this guy from the weapon.
Valera.
There we go.
What?
You got a nice little 6/6 out there.
Let the hunt
I could have gotten both red mana worms out, but if you did do the AoE wipe, the red mana worms are pretty strong in this deck. Thank you, Brutal Waffle, for using the Prime here, man. Welcome. Oh, put your faith in the light. Yes, sir. Put your faith in the Holy Nova of life. Put your faith in the fire. I kind of need to inner fire here. Let's go face. Inner fire, I do. Inner, fire. Question is, do I have Lethal Town? 15, I don't have Lethal Town. So I'm not going to coin. I think I got to get rid of my coin guy. I'm going to keep my heals. I'm going to keep my heals. You can destroy either one. Face time. No need to coin yet. He wants to take this guy out. He can't use face. He wants to take that out. He can use face, but he'll have one left. He needs to take them all out and about. Well, that's a nice little tauntage for him. He wants to get rid of this guy. Oh, is he going face? No. Is he going to actually destroy that? Wow, he's riding the wave. He's riding the wave. All I need is a Choli Nova right about now, guys. 10. Well, I guess that would be Lethal Town. Okay, that was a good work. See all those coins? Put them to good use. That was sweet. That was sweet. I think I'll let that one
Bethune is my shield.
He's not gonna let us down. This is for where?
Frog smash!
On page 1, you see a little bit of our old school priests. It was MJ Raggy yesterday. How many decks have I made? I don't know. Not full ones on Mass Reaper. I probably made a good 6 to 7 decks, but some of them are kind of throw together decks. Some of them are like foggy ideas, not well. This is, I think, my most fun deck. I did have the mirror in here earlier. I switched them for the Beardo. Yeah. The Auction Master Beardo. Jade Golem. Jade Druid. I've never seen this Jade Druid before.
Let the dogs out.
Should be interesting. Ah, lovely. Nothing against him, I just...
Funnel cake.
But then again, you've never seen a priest on my channel before. What's going on, Paradox?
They fell off a trunk.
Yellow. Wow. Huge moose. Inner fire, face, inner fire. What's more important, the AoE or the heals? Well, actually, they're both important, but this way he can't use his ability on me. I'm just going to use a spell. Yes, sir. She's important, but this would be TM removal. No, yes.
A demo.
Wow, Paradox Moose. Merci beaucoup. You know, Unmasked, I can show you really brief what I made, if you would like. Beardo? Don't know about Beardo yet. Go with this. Go with this. Let's check this guy out in the boot. None of that. We got a couple things for him to remove here. The weak side of Jade Gold right now is I don't think they carry as much removal as a traditional druid. I think they bank on build up their opponent. So we can control it early and go face. Like not always, but the small stuff, pick it off. You know, this thing I'll probably take care of, I would think. Depends what I get. An inner fire would be nice, actually. That's actually Granny.
Your nightmare begins.
I really do. I guess I'm going to do like this. I'm going to be backwards town a bit, guys. I'm going to heal, and then I'm going to probably drop Bran after all this.